we have all been told to be flexible and to make compromises. But at some point, after paying our dues and working tirelessly, we just don't want to compromise anymore. Imagine playing hooky and spending more time with our family, living where we want and exploring where we live. Grabbing our first mate to go on an adventure. It's time for you to sit at the helm and discover absolute freedom. With Sealegs, there is no compromising. Not on torque, not on traction, speed, terrain, and especially not on luxury. It's time to rediscover the true meaning of life and what brings us joy. Sealegs. Be amphibious.